Hey everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. It's Dylan from tunemon.com. In this video, I want to share with you a monitoring related job I think you might find pretty interesting. I know I did. So Tesla's looking for a site reliable engineer, specialty in maintaining and administering Splunk infrastructure. As you can see here, I'm looking at the posting. The job itself is located in Fremont, California. It's a full-time position, I assume permanent full-time. And this job's pretty interesting because they're looking for basically a Splunk administrator with experience of 10 terabytes a day and the ability to leverage the stats and machine learning toolkit built into Splunk. Interestingly enough, they're also looking for some Kafka and syslog experience. So I assume this job is going to incorporate maintaining a live stream of data and actioning it in real time. And then they're looking for, the typical experience monitoring different parts of the stack. I think Tesla would obviously be an interesting place to work for a variety of reasons. And I was looking at LinkedIn, and the estimated salary for this role is about 145,000 US base with a $200,000 total compensation package. So that's not too bad at all. So if you think this role would be a good fit for you, I put a link to the posting below. So take a look at the description and buy me a coffee when you get your hiring bonus. Thanks, guys.